Good morning to all of you. So we have started this exercise 4b. In that I have discussed the identities of a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Now we will resume our discussion till question number 8 I have discussed. Now see question number 10. If a minus 1 upon a is equals to 4. Okay, this is given. So with the help of this we have to calculate the value. First value we have to calculate is a square plus 1 upon a square. Okay, this we have to calculate. So what we can do here, you can simply do you can write the formula of a minus 1 upon a whole square, that is a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. Okay, like this only we are doing the questions. So it is 4 square and this we have to find. So it is 16 equal to a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. So from here we will get a square plus 1 upon a square equal to 2 will come here, that is 18. Okay, so this is our very first value. Now second thing is asked, a to the power 4 plus 1 upon a to the power 4. Now see, this is a to the power 4 is square of a square. So what we are going to do, we will write the formula of a square plus 1 upon a square whole square. So similarly, it will give you a to the power 4 plus 1 upon a to the power 4 plus 2. Okay, now we will put the value again. So a square plus 1 upon a square is 18. So this is 18 square equal to a to the power 4 plus 1 upon a to the power 4 plus 2. Okay, so 18 square is 324 equal to a to the power 4 plus 1 upon a to the power 4 plus 2. So finally what we will get? We will get a to the power 4 plus 1 upon a to the power 4 is 324 minus 2, that is 322. Okay, so this is our second answer. Now regarding the third part, that is a cube minus 1 upon a cube. Okay, so for this we know the identity, that is a cube minus 1 upon a cube is actually a minus 1 upon a whole cube plus 3 into a minus 1 upon a. Okay, this identity I have told you. So this is our value. Put the value, you will get 4 cube plus 3 into 4, that is 64 plus 12. Answer will be 76. Okay, so these are the basic identities that you have to remember whenever you want to solve the questions related to these identities. Understood? Okay, now see question number 11. So in this it is given that x plus 1 upon x equal to 2. Then we have to show that these all values are equal to each other. Okay. So what we are going to do, I am going to calculate each and every value individually. Like x square plus 1 upon x square is actually x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. So this is 2 square minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Then x cube plus 1 upon x cube, again formula x plus 1 upon x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 upon x. So it is 2 cube minus 3 into 2, 8 minus 2, that is, sorry, 8 minus 6, that is 2. Okay, so we got this as 2 and this as 2. Now x4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 this we can write it like this, okay, whole square, then we will write minus 2. So this is 2 square minus 2, that is 4 minus 2. So our answer is 2. So you can see here at every part we get answer as 2. So we can say that hence root. Okay, then in question number 13, a different type of question is there. Okay, so in question number 13, we have to expand, okay, like this. First part I am discussing 3x plus 5y minus 2z and 3x minus 5y plus 2z. Okay, this we have to expand. So previously what you are doing, you are solving the question like this, 3x into then this whole expression, then 5y into this whole expression. Okay, now since we have studied about the expansion, so we will not use this method. Okay, this we will not use. We will try to solve it using our concepts of expansion. Then how to expand this? See, this is plus 3x and plus 3x. This is plus 5y, now this is minus 5y. But this is plus 2z and this is minus 2z. So what is my approach in this? I am going to make here it in terms of identity like a minus b and a plus b. So how do I form? See, what I am going to do, I will just write it like this, 3x plus 5y minus 2z. Okay, and here I am going to take minus sign as common. So when I take minus sign as common, see, I have taken the minus sign as common, so see what it becomes. Just see it carefully. Now this is A and B are same. Now we can use the identity, that is a square minus b square. So this is 9x square and this is 25y square, 4y square minus 20yz. So finally what I got, I will get the answer as, okay, this is z, 4z square plus 20yz. Okay, see how in very short period of time we are able to get the answer just by using the concept of identity. Okay, one more time I am repeating. I have formed the groups such that I got it in the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so this was 5y minus z. See, this and this both have the same different signs in two expansions. So I have taken minus sign as common here in this. So it becomes 5y minus 2z. So in this manner you can solve or you can expand these type of identities. Now let's see a word problem. So in question number 15, two positive numbers x and y such that it is given that x is greater than y. If difference of these numbers, so difference of these numbers will be, okay, x minus y, yx minus y, because x is greater than y. Okay, do not form y minus x. And their product is given as product is given as 24. Find some of these numbers. Okay, first thing that we have to find here is x plus y. So I think these questions we have discussed in a first exercise only. So what I am going to do, I will solve it like this. X plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 4xy. So what is x minus y? 5. 4 into 24, that is 25 plus 96 is 121. So what is x plus y? Square root of 121, that is 11. And we will not take the minus 11 because it is given that these are the two positive numbers. So our answer is 11. Then second we have to find difference of their cubes, that is x cube minus y cube. So x cube minus y cube, again we will write the formula x minus y whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. So what is x minus y? 5 cube plus 3 into xy is 24 into 5. So solve it. 125 plus 360. So our answer is 485. Okay, this is our x cube minus y cube. In the third part, sum of their cubes. So x cube plus y cube we have to find. So similarly, what is x cube plus y cube? X plus y whole cube. Now here it comes minus 3xy into x plus y. So this is 11 cube minus 3 into 24 into 11. Okay, so what is 11 cube? So 11 cube is 1331 minus, this is 792. So when we solve, we will get 935. Okay, 539. Then in question number 16, the last question. So again, very easy question is this. So 4x square plus y square is given as a, xy equal to b. We have to find the value of 2x plus y. Okay, this we have to find. So like we were solving, I will write the whole square formula of 2x plus y. That is 4x square plus y square plus 4xy. So this whole is a plus 4b. So what is 2x plus y? Square root of a plus 4b. Okay. You can see here very small solution is there. So just remember the formulas and all the identities so that you can solve the question. Okay. Now we will discuss few more identities here, and with the help of these identities we are going to solve the problems.